Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a user code on a BRINKS and EZSET Electronic Lock. So first of all, before programming, you just have to make sure that the door is open and it should also be unlocked. Afterwards, you just have to wake up the keypad and then you just have to simply enter your programming code. Now, after entering the programming code, you just have to simply press the EZSET button or the BRINKS button. If on your keypad, if you have the lock button or the enter button, you just have to also press that in order to access the programming menu. After doing so, you need to simply press 1, and on BRINKS electronic deadbolts, the function 1 is dedicated command for adding the new user code. So after pressing 1, you just have to simply start entering your new user code that you want to set. After doing so, in order to basically save it, you just have to again press this particular EZSET button or this particular BRINKS button in order to basically save it. So this way you will be able to add the user code. Now finally you can test the code before closing the door. You can just simply press the EZSET or the BRINKS button in order to lock the deadbolt, and then you can enter the new code and then you can press the enter button again. If the deadbolt retracts, it means that the programming was successful. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.